ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? እፎሃለሁክሙ እድዋንስት በሃክሙ Hi everybody, how are you? I would like to introduce myself. My name is Habtamu Getachew. I am 28 years old. My educational background, I have a bachelor degree in statistics from Addis Ababa University, and I taught a basic church educations for different church schools like Uddase Mariam, Uddisuwa Malaikት አንቀጸ ብርሃን መልካ ማርያም መልካ ኢየሱስ መዝሙረ ዳዊት ቅኔ and Greek languages. Currently I am working an insurance industry and I am a first year theology student. In the last 4 years I teach Greek languages for different kids and different Sunday schools. Teaching Greek language is for me, it is not a work, it is my passionate, and I am interested to teach Greek, especially for kids. I make learning fun for kids to prepare an educational games, telling story and active participate, to ask an open-ended question and encourage kids to think out the box, and to be familiar with kids. ሲባክሙ አመሰግናለሁ። Thank you everybody.